What's up, online shoppers? I just got gifted a gorgeous new perfume from Dossier. They are a perfume company who make it their life's purpose to deliver beautiful scents at affordable prices. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. That is their motto. Here's what you see when you open up the box. Now each box comes with this little card in it. So this one here is Floral Marshmallow. It sounds delightful. And on the back of the card, they give you what the notes of the perfume are and what it's inspired by. There you go. Top notes of marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. Middle notes of orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. And base notes of amber and vanilla and musk. I have to say, I am definitely in love with the presentation, and here is the perfume, Floral Marshmallow. Now this is my first time scenting it. It is awesome. What a beautiful perfume. I just love the scent. This is definitely a way to smell like luxury without the luxury price tag. Now I've done a little bit of reading on the company, and they choose ethically sourced ingredients that come from Grasse, France, which is the perfume capital of the world. As well, the perfumes are vegan, they are cruelty-free, and they are also made without any artificial colors. So the color, the gorgeous color that you see in this perfume right here, it is from the ingredients that have been blended to bring this perfume to life. The smell of this really is dreamy. I love how light and floral it is, but at the same time, it smells fruity. So there's a great blend, and if you can't decide if you want a fruity or a floral fragrance, this one here, Floral Marshmallow, is really a good option to select. I love that Dossier's whole plan in mind with their perfumes is to make elite perfumes affordable to everyday people, because everyone loves to smell nice. There's just something about putting on a beautiful perfume that elevates your mood, that makes you feel more special, that makes you feel more ready and prepared. And Floral Marshmallow, it's definitely love at first scent. I know this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.